Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, after yesterday's sharp rally and especially soybean prices, overnight prices are sharply unchanged. I think the market is still trying to figure out if this U.S. weather pattern is bullish or bearish. The USDA estimated that about 86% of the corn crop is planted. That leaves 9 million acres to get planted. Farmers now have to decide whether or not to take the pre-vet plant option in crop insurance, which most dates end late next week, or try to plant the corn crop late. There's guesstimates that maybe as much as 1 to 3 million corn acres may not get planted because of the late date. That puts a lot more pressure on summer weather and final yields on whether prices for D's corn go down from here or actually move higher. We also note that many feel that there's a big speculative short in D's corn that's been around for a long time, and we probably need hot, dry weather to trigger short covering that rather than this wet, cool pattern that we're currently under. USDA estimated about 44% of the beans planted. That's behind average. It's probably close to what the market had thought. They've got 27 million more bean acres to plant, and I don't think that's a real issue in the marketplace, but we'll have to watch that too. Spring wheat plantings were faster than most had anticipated, and the winter wheat crop ratings continue to be about the same as it was last week and below last year. We expect soft wheat harvest to start next week, and the U.S. hard red winter wheat harvest could start in 2 weeks. For the hard red winter wheat harvest, that's about 1 to 2 weeks later than normal. Outside markets, the dollar's sharply lower, crude's lower, copper's lower, stock market should open lower, and I think most people think that this is just month-end profit taking. The market is still watchful of all the data, whether it's coming out of Europe, China, and the U.S., to get some kind of indication of the direction of the U.S. economy. So again, it's not perfect planting season. We're not starting off to a perfect growing season, but too wet to plant is not as bullish to the marketplace as if it were hot and dry like we were last year at this time. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.